Somebody joining you?
Me and my little princess. Trimming down the mulberry tree. Let's make a mess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you go and pick her up.
That's right.
Yeah.
Nice little haircut for the mulberry. A couple little piles. Get the mulch out now and tidy the rest up and maybe cut the grass. Birds are fed, washed, cleaned. These guys getting into some passion fruit. These guys are making a mess. What are these guys up to? Not much. Mulberry tree trimmed, mulched, tidied up for another year. And then the chickens have got all the mulch from today. Very good. See ya.